Hi, and welcome to the Inside District. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that way other people can see it's a good video. Also, subscribe to my channel so that way you can see other great content I create in the future. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this gear knob so you can replace it or install an aftermarket version. So all you need to do is get a small flat blade screwdriver, or I'm using a Phillips, put it underneath here just to get leverage, and you'll just pop up the cover. I'm just being gentle. It pops up relatively easy. Then that'll give you access to the torque screw that's on top. If you undo that torque screw, you'll be able to remove the knob, and you'll be able to replace it with an aftermarket gear shifter knob that you prefer. Then all you do is tighten the screw back up to 6 Newton meters if you have a torque wrench, and then once you're done, place the cover on top and it just slides down and in and just clips back into place. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up so that way other people can see it's a great video. Also, subscribe to my channel to see other great videos in the future. Thank you for watching.